Hello guys, so today we are going to learn about tuples, list and dictionary. In Python, tuples are immutable data types while dictionary and list are mutable data types. So once you create tuples, we can make it by parentheses like this. You can write any value in it, either it's integer or float or string, doesn't matter, like that. So this is x is declared as a tuples. It is an immutable data type. You cannot modify the value of x. Yes, you can add another tuples into these tuples. Also, there are two methods called index and count. So for an example, if you type print x dot count 1, and if you run the code python1.py, so as you can see, 1 is printed because 1 is only one time into the tuple. Let's add another one and see. So now 2 is printed. It means 1 is multiple times into these tuples. Also, there is a method called index, which will find the index of particular element. Like if you want to check index of element 3, so as you can see, it will return 3 because indexing start from 0. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. So at position 3 is situated. So these two are the method. You can also add another tuples into the previous one, like declare another y, add 4 and 5, and now you can print x plus y over here. So as you can see, the single tuple is printed, but you cannot modify it. So that's all about tuples. Now let's move forward to the list. You can declare a list by adding a bracket. It's a same, it's not the same as tuple. This is an immutable data type, and there are lots of methods of list which I will be showing you after some time. So let's make a list of 1, 2, 6, 8, 9 and 0. Okay, so this is the one list. Now let's start with the sort method. So in a C programming or C++ programming, if there is a list or array and you have to sort a whole list, then you must need to write a code. But in Python, there is a method called sort. So what you can do, x dot sort, and it will sort the array. Now you can print the value of x. So as you can see, now the whole array is sorted in a ascending order. You can also do it in a descending order by adding reverse equal to true. And now let's print again. So as you can see, the list is printed in a descending order. Okay, let's move forward to the another method. Another method is called append. What it will do, it will append the element at the end of the list. So x dot append, let's say QWE, and if you print again, so it will add at the end of the index. Also, there is a method called pop, which will remove the last index element. So you print, as you see that QWE is and 0 both are popped from the uh, list because we didn't add QWE, we only popped. So the original list is 0 to 9 and okay, and it will remove last element 0. So the final list is 1, 2, 6, 8 and 9. The another method is insert. What it will do, it will add the element at the actual index. Like if you want to add 3 at index 0, so it will do it for you. Okay, type like this, like at index 0 I want to add 3. So save the code and add it again. So as you can see, at index 0 3 is added. Also similarly, there is another method called remove. It will remove the particular element from the list. Like if you want to remove 0 from the list, type like x dot remove 0. So it will remove the 0 from the list, otherwise it is the same. Apart from that, there is a same method as tuples, like index and count, which will count the number of elements replicated into the list. So I think that's all about the list. Now let's move forward to the dictionary, which is a very important part. As I said earlier, in a JSON data type or any kind of networking work, dictionary is a most useful thing. So let's say x equal to there is a it is a key value pair. So there is a car is a key and the value is like say BMW. Then another key is a model, sorry, declared into the string model, and the model is like x1. So this is the one dictionary. So there are different kind of methods of dictionary which we will see now. So first method is a get. So like you wanna print the model of the dictionary. So how you can do, like, print x dot get and type the value of the key. So here you need to write model, just save the code and run it again. So as you can see, x1 is printed. Also there is also you can retrieve the value of car over here by typing car. So that's a simple get method. Another method is called items. What it will do, so it will return all tuples value, all containing key value pair. So as you can see, dictionary item, there is a car is a key and BMW is the value of it, model is a key and x1 is the value of it. So that was item does. Now if you want to work with only keys, so you can type keys here, which will return all the keys like car and model. Also there is a method called values, which will return only values, so BMW and x1. So that's all about how you can retrieve the data, but there are some methods which will be useful for updating or set defaulting the value. So like you wanna update the value, like say model is equal to, now you can say x5, save the code and okay, it will not print like that. I need to update it over here. Okay, and now print the value of x. So as you can see, model is updated to the x5. Also there is a set default value like x dot set default, in which you can set the default value, like you want to add a year, in which year you bought the car. So you can say 1999. Just save the code and run it again. So you can see here is default set as 1999. Also there is a same method like pop and pop, which will remove last element. Also there is a method called clear, which will clear whole element, and there are a bunch of other methods which are useful in a dictionary, which will you find on the online. And if you have any doubt in list, tuples or dictionary, just comment it out. I will try to solve it. So thank you for your support. That's all about it today. Do like, share and subscribe the videos, and stay connected for more videos. Thank you.